farming has a remarkable past, full of legacy and tradition. But it also has a very promising future based on higher demand and higher capabilities. And the way forward to that future will be led by the brave, the courageous, the trailblazers. At Mayer Farm Equipment, we also have a wonderful history. As one of the oldest Massey Ferguson dealers in North America, we've served generations of farmers to help build their success. And today, we're giving farmers a new option to build for their future. The FENDT line of agricultural equipment delivers the perfect blend of brains and brawn to help achieve what our forefathers would find incredible, to help you grow the operation you love and preserve the land you cherish. With leading-edge designs in tractors, planters, sprayers, and combines, FENDT is the choice of many of the best-run operations the world over. So whether your farm is Massey Red or FENDT Green, Mayer Farm Equipment will have the equipment to keep your operation running at its very best, so the future of your farm can be every bit as great and every bit as crucial as its past.